Hello, everyone. Today, we've got a topic that's been intriguing investors for centuries: gold. In this video, we'll be exploring the ins and outs of how to invest in gold. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, we've got some valuable insights for you. So, let's jump right in. Why invest in gold? Why invest in gold, you might ask? Well, there are several compelling reasons. Gold has been a store of value for thousands of years, and it can act as a hedge against inflation, economic instability, and currency devaluation. It's also a tangible asset that you can hold in your hand, which adds a layer of security to your investment portfolio. Different ways to invest in gold. Now, let's discuss the various ways to invest in gold. Physical gold. First up is physical gold. This includes gold bars, coins, and jewelry. While they have the advantage of being tangible, there are storage and security considerations to keep in mind. Gold ETFs. Next, we have gold exchange traded funds, ETFs. These are like mutual funds but track the price of gold. They're convenient and offer liquidity. Gold mining stocks. Gold mining stocks are another option. Investing in companies that mine gold can provide exposure to the gold market while potentially offering dividends. Gold futures and options. If you're into trading, you might consider gold futures and options. These are financial derivatives that allow you to speculate on the future price of gold. Factors to consider when investing in gold. Now, before diving in, there are some crucial factors to consider. Market conditions. Keep an eye on market conditions. Gold prices are influenced by various factors, including economic data, geopolitical events, and more. Investment horizon. Determine your investment horizon. Are you in it for the long term or looking for short-term gains? Your strategy may vary accordingly. Diversification. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one golden basket. Spread your investments across various assets for risk management. Risks and challenges. It's not all sunshine and rainbows when it comes to gold investments. Let's talk about some of the risks and challenges. Price volatility. Gold can be highly volatile, and its price can fluctuate significantly. Make sure you're prepared for the ups and downs. Storage and security. Physical gold requires secure storage, and that comes with additional costs. Safety should be a top priority. Conclusion and actionable tips. So, there you have it, folks, the how, what, and why of investing in gold. Remember, it's not a one-size-fits-all strategy, and you should tailor your investment approach to your unique goals and risk tolerance. Actionable tips. Before we wrap up, here are a few actionable tips to take with you. 1. Do your research. Understand the gold market and its dynamics. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your investments in a single asset class. 3. Consider your investment horizon. Determine whether you're a short-term or long-term investor. 4. Stay updated. Keep an eye on the latest news and market trends. 5. Seek professional advice if needed. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. And as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave them in the comments section below. Happy investing, and we'll see you in the next video.